papers we will discuss today are the European roadmap towards fusion electricity. Chapter 10, Stellarator. ITER and demo are based on the tokamak concept, which is by nature a pulse device. The high current in the tokamak makes it prone to current-driven instabilities. Many of them can be stabilized or mitigated by adequate control technique. Also, much work still needs to be done to completely avoid disruptions. Euro is working on the Stellarator as a long-term backup strategy. A Stellarator has all magnetic fields generated by external coils and is therefore, by definition, a continuous device. A Stellarator has the second advantage that it doesn't feature the instabilities and disruptions that plague a tokamak plasma, but a Stellarator is technically more complex than a tokamak, and therefore the research in terms of performance is some decades behind the tokamak. Given its potential promise, Euro has focused Mission 8 on the Stellarator, more specifically on Wendelstein 7X W7X, the world's largest Stellarator. W7X came into operation at the end of 2015, and the first experimental campaign exceeded the expectations. In 2019 and 2020, it will be equipped with an actively cooled diverter such that long plug operation is possible. Chapter 11, Conclusion. The European Fusion Program is coherent and addresses in an integrated way all elements that are needed to develop a fusion reactor. The fusion roadmap presents a realistic resource-loaded path towards the fusion power plant. Its time scale is strongly connected to the availability of resources to continue the progress. The demo design needs to migrate from the present pre-conceptual design to a conceptual design by 2020. This will happen after a through-gate review around 2020, in which a number of less promising design options will be deselected on the critical path for demo. And in fact, for any fusion reactor is the construction of a 14 MeV neutron source. Ideally, the start of the DON's construction should take place early in the 2020s. Demo operation is expected to start in the 2050s. Thanks for listening to the end of today's show.